Good afternoon. Ayan mga kabigla, nandito na naman tayo sa isa namang episode ng ating vlog. So ngayon, ayan, may gagawin na naman tayo sa aking 2009 Yamaha R6. Ayan. So, pasensya na kayo sa ingay. Ayan o. So ngayon, it's kinda hot afternoon day today. It's actually 29 degrees here. I know, sa mga tropa natin dyan sa Pinas, I know, hindi kasing init dyan sa inyo. Pero, yeah. Ayan, no, pinagpapawisan na tayo. Nakaupo pa lang tayo. Di pa nagsisimula. So, what are we doing today? Ayan. So, bago natin simulan, intro muna. So again guys, here we are on my 2009 Yamaha R6. Ayan. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna change the chain. Look at this. I was able to adjust it fully, but still it's coming loose. There's some spots that it's tight and there's some spots that it's loose. So that's, I think, for me, it's an indication that I need to change the chain. And it's also very noisy on the road. So maingay na siya mga lodi. So yan o. So na-tight ko na yan. Na-adjust na ilang beses na. Pabalik-balik na lang. Yan. So today, I'm trying to show you how I do it on my bike. How I change my chain. So what I have here is I got a DID professional 525 VX chain. So it's an X ring. So as you know, chains, they have O-rings, they have rollers, and they have X rings. So sabi nila, it's this X ring is way better. So let's try it. So it's my first time to change the chain on my bike, first ever, and I'll try to do it. And I think I said I'm gonna show you guys. So here it is. Let's start by, I think we need to, this is a rivet type. I've been looking for a link where I can remove, because some chains they have yung ano lang, yung slide on na may clip on siya, but this one wala. So kanina ko pa tinitingnan, wala. So it means riveted siya, naka-rivet. So i-grind natin siya first. So hinahanap ko dito, tinitingnan ko rin sa likod. Yan, tingnan ko kung merong clip. Parang wala eh. So wala talaga. So yan, gagawin natin, i-grind natin siya para matanggal. So okay, watch nyo na lang. Again, welcome back to the Astro Moto Vlog. So ito, we're gonna try to remove the chain, cut it or grind it, and then we have to remove one of the links, and then we are gonna use the old chain to install the new chain on it. We don't need to remove the covers here. We don't need to remove anything. Basically, yeah, we're just gonna slide it in, roll it all the way, and boom. Okay, let's watch. Okay, so we're back. So I have to prepare my tools, and yeah, as I'm grinding, so I'm gonna use the safety goggles here, guys. Safety first, always. So I think the tools I'm gonna need is, I have this grinder, I have a hammer, I have a punch, and basically the chain. I have a 14 mil, because this is a 14 mil wrench in the socket. But it's because I'm gonna use this tool, guys. So this is a rivet tool for the chain. So I bought it through Amazon. So, and yeah, it came like 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm gonna try it for the first time. I haven't done this before, I said earlier. So papakita ko sa inyo kung paano, but I'll do my best. First, we're gonna grind it. We are going to grind it. So gagawin natin, guys. Gagawin natin yung isang link. Tanggalin natin, papunch out. Then yeah, I'll show you. I'll do it here on camera, okay? Okay. Yeah, so grind natin, guys. So after a couple of grinding here, yeah, I was able to end up to this. Look, yeah. So you can see that now I can easily push these two links that connects this. So I'm gonna try pushing it out, and then voila, we remove it. So I'm just gonna hammer it. There you go. Coming out, nice there. There. Uh-oh, where's my chain? Here's the chain, guys. Yeah. Cool. Chain. So I got it out. This one out. This is the blank. Yeah. And I got a new one. And go RTSO. This is an O-ring type. Oh no. X-ring. Oh yeah. All is the same. Well, see ya. Okay, so this is the new one. Lower spring swing, so this, yeah. So this is the one. So it has its own grease, small one. The new master link. And the other side. Oh. Lost with the rings. This is an O-ring type. Oh no. That's okay. Yeah, X. Huh. We'll see. Okay. So now the idea is we are just gonna connect this two. So I'm gonna roll it all the way out here. Okay, you guys here. So we're gonna connect this two. We'll connect this together. Yeah. And so we're gonna connect the old and new. There we go. Put this back on now or nope. This roller, no, it's not gonna fall out. Only hope not. And then yeah, just slide it. It's like this old new. It's gonna replace the old. There. So look at that. It's the whole thing. Yeah. Okay, there we go. You see that, guys? Here it is now. So our new chain is in. Yeah, so I can move it from there. So out with the old chain, yeah. See, yeah, it's a lot of movements, and yeah. Then we have the new one in. There we go. We get the new one in. Press. Yeah, so don't forget about the O-rings. Okay, so I'll put the ring O-rings here. Then I think I'll put some grease on. Yeah, so here. There we go. I'm gonna grease him up. Yes, it's not that bad. Only took time is the grinding part, which is acceptable. There we go. So I have it greased. Greased. This side. There we go. And then grease with O-rings. Oh. Ooh. Fit. Oh yeah. Pressed on. Just gonna get grease on these rings too. And O-ring, X-ring. And then yeah, I don't know. I just have a right or wrong side. I'm gonna remove this. I can't find it. I don't know where is that. Where is that one spot? Looks like this. So I found out after like, okay, so I got this tool. So anyway, so I was, yan, nalagay ko na to. I get this one. Okay, I'll show you how I did it. So yan, so pinasok ko na yung master link, then yung mga O-rings. Yan, natin kasi O-ring type siya. And then ito, talagay natin dito. Yan. Position it here. Okay, and now these two plates, we're gonna press it into position. Yeah, it's a removable plate. So ilagay natin sa likod. There you go. So trying to position it, guys. I don't know if you can see it right hand here. Okay. There you go. It's good. It's good. So now these are my wrench. Just easily tighten it. Okay, what I can use right over here. Ito kasi para sa ano to, para sa pag-tight ng na ano later on ng mga rivets. Okay, so yan. Yun. Ikot lang natin guys. Or I can use a gun here. So guys, yeah, I'm gonna use my gun. It's easier for me to tighten it and show you. Yeah, see here. So I can show it to you. Yeah. So you can see it's tightened. There we go. Let's see. Let's check. Looks like I'm in, guys. There you go. Here. Yeah, as you can see, yeah. Okay, so woohoo, we're in. Haha, look at that. Ooh, you know. Yeah, so now we're gonna mushroom this up so that it will hold. Yeah. So there's two types, so you can have the clip-on ones, but I prefer the rivets ones because yeah, I know it's reusables, but this one is a bit permanent and there's no danger of it falling off. So hindi siya matatanggal, guys. So that's what I'm trying to say. There we go. Oh, it's in. Okay, so now we're gonna figure out kung anong gagamitin to mushroom this out. I think this one, yeah. Yan guys, and yeah, we're gonna set this up again. Kabit natin yung chain. 5 minutes na to, pre. Mga 5 minutes na.
No problem. No rush.
Okay, so let's see. Let's do this one back here. So this one, yan. Set it up. Where's the other one? Yeah. Ayos tong chain na ano na to installer Rivet kasi. Yan. Push na lang. So, position. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. Basta the idea is to mushroom this up. Mushroom siya. Fine. I don't know if I push it this way or... Oh, let's try. It's the first time, so... Yun lang hindi natatakbo yan. Yeah. Another one. Hindi naman kamay. Yeah. Pero mas so two ways you can use the gun, impact gun, or you can just use your hand tools. Using impact guns, I think the better choice to do it. You don't have to do use so much effort. But it's doable, so. You can press it against the chain here. It's not gonna do anything. Yeah, first time to change my chain, buddy. And it's a rivet type. Some of the other types are just clip-ons. You can just slide a clip over here.
Yeah.
This one is.
Oh, it's safer.
Yeah, this one, because this is a little bit permanent, right? So because the clip, I don't know, with how fast you're driving or riding, sometimes you don't know if it's gonna hold, right? So okay, good afternoon mga lode, mga kabiglaan sa lahat ng mga subscribers. So i-add up ko lang kasi the last part of my video for changing the chain, I know what happens, got lost, so I have to add up. But before that, I just gonna go shout Shout out to my friends. Yeah, yun kay paring Richard Villaflores ng Brooks. Shout out to you pare ko. Shout out sa Brooks Biglaan Gang Chapter. Thank you guys sa pagsuporta. Thank you so much. I'm just gonna add up kasi nawala yung last portion ng chain na video na ginagawa ko. So add ko ngayon. I'd also shout out din sa kay paring Carlo ng Ravers, saka sa Ravers Chan, sa Sigma Copies. Shout out sa inyo lahat guys, na miss ko na kayo. So again, continue natin. Again guys, here he is now. So see this is where the rivets are. So it's kind of fixed now. Yeah, so I was able to finish it. Just want to show you the finish. Yeah, so as you see, these are the original ones. This is the rivets. So this is where it's gonna be looking like. So that's how it looks like when it's done. So I have it on there. So I have it on. I already tried this a couple of times and it looks good. Yeah. So after you install that, you just have to adjust it. So probably the next video is how to adjust your chain. Okay. So yan lang guys. I'm just gonna add it up because my footage of this one got lost. So that's it. So I can finish the video. Thank you.